Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today's video is for the Facebook group Art Joy of Sharing Live, and this one is, the prompt is #marchmusings, and we're supposed to talk about a book or an artist or a movement that we're interested in, and I'm actually interested in intuitive painting, and I found this book. Well, the book I showed you there for just a minute by, I think her name is Flora Bowley. Cindy Utter did a review on that. If I can find it, I'll attach it below. And that's the book I went for, and I've read part of it. I'm very slow. But I read part of it, and I really liked the way she writes. But at the same time I bought that, you know how Amazon is, they suggested the Intuitive Painting Workshop book, and it's just been sitting here. I will try to find links to that, so you can have it below if you'd like, if you're interested. But I thought it would be fun because it's a workshop and it has different projects, and this is the first time I'm actually trying it. And I'm going with the first workshop project, and it's all about putting scraps of paper down and paint. And there's not a ton of instruction, and I'm following the instructions. Let me see if I can find them here while I'm talking to you. I know that's bad. As you saw, I kind of flipped through the pages. I love the images, so I really wanted to try it. Let's see. And I feel like I already do kind of intuitive painting, so I didn't think it would be that hard. Okay, following instructions for intuitive painting is difficult. So it gives you a list of supplies, and they are just suggestions. Use what you have. I always believe in using what you have. And, I mean, basically it's choose an array of decorative papers you want to collage. Bold and bright and contrasty, and also a couple of neutrals. I don't know that I really put any neutrals until I put a little bit of white and black at the end. I figured I needed some light and some dark because I was kind of getting it all the same. I still feel like it's all the same. But it just kind of tells you how to collage, and tells you to cut shapes and then keep the waste because you might want to use it. So, of course, I take it as I have to use it. Oh well. So I'm going to use it. And I tried to get this to contrast what was already on there so that it would stand out a little bit. And then I'm just collaging a series of papers down. So once I get some paper collaged, then you're supposed to add paint. And you're supposed to go back and forth until you get it the way you want it. And that really is the whole gist of the instructions. Oh, and it also says add a word, and then, you know, you can embellish that word if you want to. At the end. So her piece is like really lovely, and mine is like, I don't know. It was an interesting project. You may see me do, you know, a couple more. I mean, that's only the first project. Maybe if I do a few more, I will get better and improve with practice, right? I do like how the collage looks when I collage. It's when I start to add the paint. It also, in the book, it talks about letting go, I guess is the term. Letting go of what you've already created. So yeah, I put this down and I'm like, I can't let go. I have a hard time letting go. From the first time I started watching YouTube videos, and it was probably the lady from Crazy Island Studios, her Freedom Journal Fridays. She would like have these gorgeous backgrounds and they'd get completely covered up. I'm like, what are you doing? But you really do have to learn to let go, because you can come up with some really awesome stuff. So I think that's my big takeaway is I have a fear of letting go. So see, here's my painting. I'm just emphasizing and highlighting. I'm not using it the way they want you to, which is to create, I don't know, cover up and change. But the author of this particular book, and you might have seen that at the front, is Elena Hennessy, and it's going to be a really good book. And I love intuitive painting style, so I'm going to keep persevering in doing it, which I think I already kind of do it, but like I said, I have a hard time giving up what I've already put down. I don't want to lose it, so I tend to hold on to it too much. Hopefully that'll change. Anyway, yeah, so this is part of the hashtag AJOS 2019 Art Joy of Sharing, and it's hashtag marchmusings. I am posting that early in March, and I know there's people that are doing it throughout the month. So if you search, I think if you search hashtag Art Joy of Sharing or AJOS, you might find some. Or go to the Art Joy of Sharing Facebook group, and we are all posting in there when we upload, and then you can find everybody who's doing it and subscribe to all their channels. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but they're a lot of fun artists, so I think you would enjoy their projects. And everybody this month is taking a subject, something they're interested in, something that's inspiring them, and talking about it or creating art about it. So I will just play some music, probably come back at the end when I show you a few pictures of the finished piece. Thanks for watching. clearly see here that I'm kind of at a loss as to what to do with this thing. I fiddle around a little bit, but yeah, basically just shading around things. There's no obvious focal point, so I think I decide that this particular box that I've shaded around will be my focal point, and I'm just doing a little bit of scribbling, nonsensical words, and that is about it. There is my word. I put imagine on there, and here are a few photos. I hope you like that. Don't forget to check out the Facebook group Art Joy of Sharing Live. I'll try to put a link in the description box below. If you did like my video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you aren't a subscriber already and would like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.